Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create sticky mobile bottom menu bar. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over and install in here a plugin called WP Mobile Bottom Menu. So let's head over and then search in here. And then you should be able to see it on your plugin marketplace on WordPress. So here it is right here. Head over and click on this Install Now option in order to install this particular plugin. Once you have done that, head over and then activate it as well. Now, as you can see, plugin has been activated. You should be able to see it right here on this WP VNAV setting. Head over and click on it. While it's loading, let's head over to our website right here. And as you can see, it's still on the mobile view, so you can head over and right click. And then from in there, inspect right here. Once you have clicked on the inspect option, you should be able to see this right here. So what you can do is you can click on this icon just beside elements, click on this right here, and then as you can see, we are now on our mobile right here. Now in here, let's head back to our settings, and then you should be able to see this. While it's there, let's head over right here to our appearance. Here is our appearance, and here is the menu. Right click on it, and then open this on the new tab. Now on this new tab that will open, we should be able to see the menus that we have right here. So in here is our menus. So scroll down and you should be able to see in here this menu settings. So you can assign a menu as the bottom menu of mobile. So I'll head over and use this somewhere right here as my mobile menu for my mobile sticky menu. So let's head over and click on it. Click on summer, scroll down, and then let's assign this or select this first. Then once you have selected this will open the actual menu structure for your summer menu. Here it is our menu. Scroll down and then make sure to use its VNAV bottom menu as well. Click on it and click on Save Menu. Now, as you can see right here on our store, we now have this bottom menu, which is the menu that we have, which is our summer menu. So when you scroll down, as you can see, it is now a sticky menu that we can actually use on our website. So you can head over right here to your VNAV settings in order to change the background color, the blur, the shadows, and all of these settings right here. For example, let's change in here the background color. As of right now, it's black. Now let's choose in here more of a pink color, such as this one, and then head over and save this. Once you have saved this progress, should be able to save, and then you can head over to your page right here again. Now from in here, just reload it. So let's try to reload it in order to reflect the changes we have just made. Now on some cases, this will take some time for this particular menu to be changed, but once you have changed some things, you should be able to see them reflected right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.